How's it going, guys? Natalie here from Serpstat. And if you're looking to get an actionable free SEO audit in a very short period of time, then we absolutely have that here. As you can see, we are on the Serpstat landing page, and on this part right here, you can take advantage of this free SEO audit that we offer. All you need to do is to just leave your information here on these text boxes, such as your website, your first name, your email address, and your phone. But that one is optional. And then click on this button right here so that you can get started. And another thing that I want to tell you is that we have this free guide that can show you how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional $3,437 per month on autopilot. So with that one, all you need to do is to leave your first name and your email address. And of course, if you want to subscribe to our mailing list, then definitely do so, because that would then sign you up with updates that will be delivered straight to your email address. And then click on this final help button so that you can find out how this free guide can work to your advantage. So having said all of those, let's go back to Serpstat and discuss the main topic that we have for today, which is the links intersect, or the last on the list for backlink analysis. So let's click on that one. So for links intersect, if you have been following the series, you would know that we have came across some of the tools that are not available on the type of subscription that we have, and this is one of them. So fortunately, we will not be able to access this tool, but still I want to give you a quick overview on what it's about or what you can expect it to look like and such. So links intersect, according to Serpstat, is a tool that allows you to compare the link mass of several domains and find common and unique donors for each site. So here, if you want to access this, then you would want to get a higher plan so that you can fully maximize the use of this tool. So what it does is that it finds missing link building opportunities so that you can analyze competitors, find common and missed backlink donors, or donor rather. So to use this information for link building strategy. So if you have, or if you will be availing, a subscription plan, then it should be for plans light and higher so that you can make use of this one. So, just so you have an idea of what it looks like, this is what links intersect would look like once you have access to it. So here, as usual, you would see the domain or the URL of, domain of the project that you will be working on. And then we have this, graphs here, and then links or lists here that will show you the number of referring domains for that specific domain that is corresponding to that on the list. And then here also have the donors and the donors SCR, which is, if you'd remember, this is something that is exclusive for Serpstat, the SCR. And then you also have referring pages to the specific domain that you entered, and then referring pages to your competitors, because this one talks about or shows you a visual of your competitors. So that is it for links intersect. So showing you the intersect, or how your links intersect with that of those of your competitors. So that's it. Even though we're not able to fully utilize this tool, at least we have an idea of how it works now and how it would look like. So I hope you found this helpful. And of course, please do leave a comment for any takeaways or any thoughts you may have. And then also like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can get updated whenever we drop content here in our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you again on the next video.